Hello. This is an updated video guide on how to register a new Steam account in Argentina region, and buy Steam games much cheaper. And also I will show you how to add funds to these accounts from your region. I see in my Discord server that many people can't change the store region to Argentina using the last method. Maybe I will make a video about this later, but now I explain how to create new Argentine account. As you can see, you can buy the same Steam game much cheaper, of course, if you are not from these regions. Okay, let's get started. First, open any browser you want. I will use Chrome in this video. Then you need to find a free VPN service that allows you to connect to Argentine server. One of the best VPNs for Steam is VPN. I have been using this service for a long time to make Argentine accounts. This link can be found in the description below. On the main page, select your current browser, go to Web Store and then install this extension to your browser. After that, open the Steam community website, and go to make a new account. Open the VPN extension, and connect to Argentina. This page will be reload automatically, and then go to register account again. When creating account, make sure that you connected to the VPN right now. It's alright if you see the Argentine flag here. Enter your email address and solve the Google reCAPTCHA. You can stuck at this error, but don't worry, just reconnect to the VPN. If this doesn't help, use another browser, like Firefox. At the second attempt I managed to pass the CAPTCHA. Enter email again. And then make new Steam account as usual, confirm your email, and choose your username and password. It may happen that VPN turns off during registration. In this case, just connect to VPN one more time and continue registration. Okay, after this you can see that now I have Argentine Steam account with Argentine peso currency. Okay, next let's talk about how to add money to this account. If you will use your payment method from your country, the store region will return to your current. You need to add funds in Argentine pesos. This is the only way you can buy games cheaper. Firstly, you need to make your account unlimited. To do this, I will buy the Steam Wallet gift card. This card will give me 500 pesos, this is a little more, $5. You can buy it from any service. I will use this Russian store, because now I can pay here using my credit card. Of course this is overpriced for $5 card, but we need this only one time to unlock your account. Let's buy this. Transaction is complete, and now I got this wallet code that I can activate on my Steam. Okay, go to your Steam account in the browser. Enable the VPN again. Make sure you connected to Argentina. On the account details page, click on Add Funds, select Redeem a Steam gift card. Enter here the code you bought. And click Continue. All good if you get this message. Okay, now I have 500 pesos on my account. And as you can see, this account is unlimited now. I also connected the Steam Guard to this account. You can use a phone number of any country to enable the Steam Guard. Just to test if I can buy some game, I will buy the PUBG. After this you no need to use the VPN anymore. You can play any game on this account from any region. Then I will tell you about a cheapest way, how to add funds. To do this you need to wait 15 days after you unlock your account and enable the Steam Guard. I will buy CSGO skins on some third-party website using my credit card, and then I will sell this skins on the Steam marketplace. I need to wait some time on my Argentine account, so I will show this method using Russian account. Russian Steam is pretty cheap like Argentinian. This method is working for any region you want. Okay, you can use any trustable service. I will use this, CSGO Market. Authorize here with your Steam account. Then add money to this website. Just for example I add $2, but I recommend you add more, because it's more profitable. Make settings, add your trade link. Then I find some skin on this market. I take a random one. This is not profitable, but I do this to show you how it works. You need to find skins that are cheaper than in Steam Market. There are many such items. Okay, buy item. Wait when a seller will send it to you. After the seller send item you bought, just take it from this store as shown on the video. Then go to the Steam inventory, and sell this skin. I want to sell this item instantly, so I put here a lowest price. You can see that I got some money. Using these money you can buy games on the Steam store. This method works correctly for Argentina, Russia and any other regions. In this video I talked about how to create an Argentine account and buy Steam games much cheaper. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.